Hi, it's Mark with At My Home, and today we're going to do a quick look of the cable organizer from BAGSMART. Yep, that's the name, BAGSMART. Isn't that cool? Anyway, I've already used it because I was so excited to get this because I've got so many cables. You know, we do all this studio stuff and live broadcast and everything else, and it just generates lots of cables with lots of microphones. So we got this BAGSMART, and it's got a nice little pouch up front, handle on the back. I think it's a handle anyway. And it's got two compartments in it. Now check this out. I've already got it full. All right. Compartment number one. So it has all sorts of room in it. Check it out. Look at all the cables I have in here. It's just amazing. You know, place, like as I mentioned, it's a place for the cards and cable. And there are all these nice, pockets that are, that breathe, I guess is the best way to look at it. I even had room in here to put a power brick. So that was good. Well, not a power brick, but a charger. So I can carry that with me at all times. And so that's one side. And even more. Check this out. So this one here is a really nice big mesh pocket, which I really like. I've got all the lavalier mics and everything else in here and a few other cables. And then I've got all these crazy cables that we need to hook things up. And they have these like elastics things in here and pockets, and I was able to get them all fit in there. So it's nice and neat and easy for me to access. So I really like this. It's really easy to use. It's a nice little pouch. Keeps track of everything for us. Thank you for watching.